Tried it once before, but I didn't get too far. Felt a lot of pain, but it didn't stop my heart. And all I really wanted was someone to give a little fuck. But I waited there forever and nobody even looked up. Tried it once before and I think I might have messed up. Struggled with the veins and I guess I didn't bleed enough. But maybe I'm alive cause I didn't really wanna die. But nothing very special ever happens in my life. Take the blade away from me, I am a freak, I am afraid that all the blood escaping me